In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can insert and remove a SIM card from your iPhone 13 device. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now, the first thing that you'll need to remove the SIM card or insert the SIM card into your iPhone 13 is a SIM removal tool like this, which comes with the box of your iPhone. Now, if you have lost this tool, you can use something similar like a paperclip or a needle with a similar kind of width of this tool to put into the SIM card tray. Now, to kind of open the SIM card tray, we just have to go to the left-hand side of the iPhone. And as you can see, we now have this slight tray here with this dot. So all I have to do to open the tray is just to put in the tool and then firmly press just for about half a second, and then the tray will pop out. So I'll do that now. So as you can see, that's now popped out. Now, if I want to put my SIM card into the tray, all I have to do is just put it in and have the connectors facing towards me, facing up, and then I can go and put that back into the SIM card tray, like so. And also, just one last thing, you do want to make sure it's nice and flush so your iPhone will still be waterproof. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and easy way on how to insert and remove a SIM card for all iPhone 13 models. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.